I've been asked if I can do anything with these numbers. The outside I've been working on, the tarnished, and it's plated metal, brass effect. So all I'm going to do, give them a quick wipe over with some methylated spirits. It'll be dry in seconds, this one. Just takes any grease off the surface or anything before I sand them. Good enough. Once they're dry, you want to give them a light sand, and I'm going to be using some wet and dry P320, but I'm actually just going to use it dry and just give them a good sand. Try and keep it all the same direction, go all over the edges. So I'll carry on doing this and we'll come back to you. So, on sanding that down, it looks like they are solid brass. And I mean, there's no real weight in it. That's probably because they're so thin. I thought they were actually plated and they'd all, you know, half of it had come off, but well, so I'm going to sand this other one down and then I'm going to polish them up with a bit of Brasso. I was going to spray them with this Rust-Oleum gold, but there's no need now. The customer will be made up with that. She didn't know if they were brass or not, so they must be. Right, so let's have a quick look at that one. It's amazing, I couldn't believe it. Takes a bit of doing, right, but it's better than spraying them. Okay, I'll have a look at that one when I've done it. Yeah, they've come up really well, they have. So what I'm going to do now is give it a sand over with some finer sandpaper. This is P240. It's actually being used as well, so I'm just going to give it a final sand of that before I polish it with a Brasso. You can see the difference straight away there. I mean, see that? Just closing up all them scratch marks. It's great. I'm well impressed with that. Smashing. So I'll do that and then I'll show you the Brasso. When using this Brasso, wear some gloves. Now, I've already shook that up very well, so a dry cloth and just apply some over. And then taking another cloth and putting on, just buff it up. Good as new, that. You would have thought it, eh? Fantastic. So there you go, all the finish. Saved me a job of spraying them, and customer will be made up with them.